this is what we're having today. Ting, just kidding. So today we're gonna have, what's this? The Beyond Meat? Beyond Meat burger. So these are the patties I bought. Sorry, a lot is on my mind. Anyhow, I made these delicious burgers. Beyond Meat, Beyond Burger meat patty. Anyhow, just look at this. Just look at its goodness. Everything is vegan. My channel is vegan. All right? All plant-based. Just imagine this is all vegetable. Crazy, huh? Cool. And then we got a little pickle. Look at that. Okay. Then I have it on these buns. What are they called? With the onion flakes on, whatever. Onion flake. You get what I mean. And the Daya cheese. Man, this is good. Look at that. Oh, that melty goodness. Oh, where's the onions? I got some onions too, grilled onions. So far, this is the best tasting plant-based patties I ever had so far. I mean, technology came a long way when I first started vegan. I mean, everything tastes like wood. I'm talking about as far as the plant-based meat substitute. Delicious, I'm telling you. Go to your local store. I don't know if all the stores carry it, but I'm sure Safeway and Fred Meyer do carry them, and also Whole Foods. And they do sometimes go on sale, and that's when I basically stock up when it's on sale. Right? Yeah. So it's originally like, I think $7 for 2 patties. But when they're on sale, it's like $6. Just $5.99 or, yeah. I mean, it's pretty pricey. But it's healthy. It's all plant protein. I haven't eaten a thing all day. So, it is pretty late, and normally I do not do this, especially eating this time of day. But apparently I was late to everything. Excuse me. That was so good. Man, I don't remember eating that. That's how fast I ate it. Good Lord. Anyhow, I just got home from a jog. I did about 6 miles. So the golf course that I go to is about 40 minutes from here, and I do 2 laps. And each lap is 3.5. Yeah. So I can only do 2. Because one is going downhill, and then the other side, you gotta climb back up. Imagine that. 2 laps. Yeah. This guy right here did it. And I'm 220. So I'm pretty heavy. So you gotta start somewhere. Oh, check these chips out. Yep. Yeah, boy. Oh my God, look at that. They shape like the cheese puffs. The typical cheese puffs. See that? Oh, wow. That is delicious. Oh, buy some of that. It's my first time having it. Wow. You are thinking what I'm thinking, aren't you? Great minds think alike. Is that the saying? We're gonna put you, actually, let's move the lettuce so that it doesn't slide. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Whoa. Okay. Mmm. Add a different taste. It's a whole different burger now. Get in there. Brussels sprouts. Wait, was it? Yeah, Brussels sprout puffs. My stories are going everywhere. Oh, so this video right now, it's been shot at 9:15. I'm supposed to be in bed already. So I don't know how I'm gonna wake up at 4 tomorrow. Man. Delicious. I'm telling you, go get this burger, this patty, and make yourself a burger. I'm telling you guys. If you guys tried this already, let me know in the comments. What do you think about it? Almost went in the wrong hole. I swear. I need to have two throats. One for breathing and one for eating. That was good. Excuse moi. I got some food stuck in my teeth. Okay. All right, you guys. That is it. Oh, I'm going crazy. I need some sleep. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you try this burger. Ooh, excuse me. Let me know if you tried the Beyond Meat burger. Let me know let me know what you think about it. I think they're delicious so far. I don't know if there's any more alternative meats coming in, but so far, hands down, those are my favorite so far. All right, again, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Be a part of the posse, all right? Until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Ofa Atu. Bye. Peace. Wait, is that a peace?